What's up guys, it's Juan with Liberty Graphic Designs. Today we're going to be working on a rush order, so don't go anywhere. Lately we've been doing a lot of memorial shirts or funeral shirts. A lot of people call them memorial. I call them funeral shirts because that's what they are, right? And it kind of sucks because it's been like 4 orders of babies, you know, in the last 2 weeks. So kind of don't like making these shirts, but you know, it's kind of like what we do. Anyways, on the 24th, today is the 26th. Yesterday, by the way, Merry Christmas. Today is the 26th. Friend of mine sent me a text asking if I can do some shirts for them because their baby passed away. The little kid was only 4 years old. But, you know, going back and forth, and then with Monday being closed, all the stores were closed, and I didn't get the order till today. So I had to go to Dallas. Luckily for me, about 2 hours away from Senmar, or 2 hours away from Dallas, and I went to go get the shirts today. I left like around 1 and I just barely came back. So now I gotta hurry up and get this shirts ready because the funeral is tomorrow at 5. I gotta turn in the shirts tomorrow before noon, so you know, so they can get ready and all that stuff. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. I'm not gonna show you. This is the stuff that we're gonna be putting on the shirts. It's not that many shirts. It's like, I think it's like 33 or 36, somewhere in there. I bought 42 shirts, so I'm gonna make a total of 42 shirts. 45 shirts. And that's what I'm gonna give him. 45 plus this one's right here. This is 8, so 45, 53 shirts. I'm gonna make 53 shirts. But the only thing is that I'm not gonna show you guys like the picture out of respect. You know, I don't want to show that kind of stuff. I'm just gonna show you, like kind of like what we do on a rush order, especially like, for example, on this one that I have to drive 2 hours. It's a 4 to 5 hour, it's actually 5 hour round trip. And then today being Tuesday the 26th, December, there's a lot of traffic trying to, you know, everybody trying to get home or go back home. So I got the list right here of shirts that I gotta do, and that's what I'm gonna do right now. Just gonna sort them out and have them ready, so I can just go ahead and sublimate them. So I'm just gonna get everything ready, get all the shirts out, and then I'm gonna cut this out because we're not doing cut and sew on this. There's not enough time to do cut and sew. It takes me a whole day just to print. So on this one, I went and bought the actual shirts, and luckily they wanted it white. So I was like, oh, thank God. You know, white is a lot easier. So I'm just gonna get everything ready, get the shirts out, the shirts that I need, and then get the printouts or the sublimation. I'm gonna get it ready. So let me do that real quick. And then I'll show you, you know, on the press. I mean, everybody knows how to do sublimation, right? I got everything ready to start sublimating, but one thing I want to show you is on these kids, the little babies, I couldn't get any polyester 2T, and this one is 100% cotton. I'm going to show you something real cool. So let me see if you can see. It's 100% cotton. Is it? Yeah, 100% cotton. I want to show you something cool that I do to sublimate on cotton. I'll make a video later so you guys can see, but this is really cool. So what I got here is some chemicals that I've been working with over the years, and that's how I sublimate on cotton. So I'm gonna spray this chemical here, and I've been like adding different chemicals, you know, to see which one works better. And so far this is the one that's actually worked the best. It's just really messy. See, it's all over my hands. It's very sticky too. So you know how normally we cannot sublimate on cotton? This chemical helps me with that. And all I'm doing is just curing the chemical, kind of like what you would do with when you do DTG, something like that. But this chemical is a little different than that. I'll make a video later on so you guys can see it. Again, it gets very sticky, very, very sticky. And I'm gonna do the back because we have to sublimate the back as well. And I'll make another video so you guys can see. I'm not gonna show you what I use on the chemical or chemicals that I use. I'm not gonna show you that just yet. But I will show you how good the colors actually sublimate. It works really, really good. I don't want to get the chemical on my press, so that's why I got this little deal right here, parchment paper. So I don't get the chemical on my press, so nothing will be sticking on the press itself. So I'm going to start with the print. Again, I'm not going to show you the actual print because of, you know, I found it a little disrespectful. But I'll show you just a little bit so you can see it. And I'm going to sublimate at 375 degrees for 32 seconds. There you go, 32 seconds. And just so you guys know, the paper that I'm using is from Beaver paper. It's text print Beaver paper. And this one is actually the tacky paper. So as you can see, it's going to stay on the shirt. That's what I'm using right now. I like using that paper, so I'm sticking with that sublimation paper. So I know some of you are gonna ask me what kind of paper I'm using. And again, it's text print Beaver paper. Tacky Beaver, tacky text print paper, sublimation paper. That's it. 32 seconds at 375 degrees. And let me show you how well this sublimates on cotton. See that? It's really good. So now for the actual image, I'm not going to show you the entire image, just a little bit so you can see. See? When it sublimates, really good. I can show you the image from far away. See that? And that's 100% cotton. But I will make a video where I show you how to sublimate on cotton. Now this one right here is 100% poly, so on this one we won't have any problems. We don't have to add any chemicals or anything. This one we can just sublimate directly on it. The reason why I use tacky paper is because that'll stick to the actual garment, and I don't have to peel it off or protect my press because the paper is going to be stuck to the actual garment. And all I gotta do is just flip it over and leave it on the entire time so I can sublimate the other side. You can see right here, I can pick it up, it won't come off. So flip it over. I also don't put anything in between the shirt. Sublimation doesn't go through. On most garments, it does not go through. But if you are gonna do what I'm doing here, where you don't put anything between the shirt, make sure you do a test before you actually do a big run, because you can have some of them migrate through the other side. So there you go. So, and I will show you right here that it doesn't go through the other side. So if you notice, the front of it, it was 32 seconds and then 32 seconds on the top or the back. That means that the front had a full minute or 64 seconds. And look, you can actually see the image right through it. It's hot. You can actually see the image, right? But if I put my hand in there, you're gonna be able to tell that the sublimation from the front of the shirt did not make it through. It doesn't even make it through the first layer. It just kind of stops in between. Sorry, I cannot show you the whole deal. Again, I'm just trying to be respectful. Let me hurry up because it's kind of late already. And I need to get these shirts ready. I need to get them done. Okay, so usually on rush order, orders, we usually charge a rush order fee. In this case, we are not charging any fees because This is a really good friend of ours. This is a member of the church that I used to go to a few years back. And also, I think it will be really mean on my part to charge a rush order fee when their kid just passed away. I usually don't do, I never done a rush order fee on funeral shirts. Again, I think that will be really mean on my part. So we don't charge rush order fees. We do charge a rush order fee when the customers, want to get something done right away, but not for funeral shirts. But yeah, guys, this is gonna be it for this video. I'm gonna try to get this done. I don't know how late it is. I don't even know what my phone is, but yeah, I want to get this done because I want to have them ready in the morning, first thing in the morning, so they can come pick them up. I'm gonna work late till I finish them all and have them ready. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. A pleasure like always. And I will catch you on the next one. Thank you. And I'll see you later. God bless you. Bye-bye. Let me get back to work.